Hey, what's good, YouTube? This is Chris with BilletBox.info, and I got a box with a sticker on it that I put on there so you can't see my address. This box has a billet box inside of this box, or it should. Yeah, it's just one. There's not two in there. I don't think it's big enough for two. It is the Mysterio. They just came out with two new billet boxes, or two new colors, or one color, two different variations. The Maleficent, which I think is after some Disney character, and Mysterio. The Maleficent they were both last weekend, last Saturday. It was the same color as this is going to be, but with black G10 panels and a black Delrin button. This one is going to have an Ultim button, which we're going to change out, and a set of green G10 panels. So let's get down and open this thing up. We're going to go right into it. So I have a few accessories to put in it that I have pre-prepared, but as you can see, this is the sealed box from FedEx, and we're going to bust this thing open and place it. Yeah, there we go. And take a look at this new color. I'm going to try to start doing more videos of new colors. And there uh-oh, hold on, there's something. Oh, there's a surprise in there. I was joking, but serious about this surprise. Oh man, y'all are getting a surprise with me. This is a piece of history right here. Wow, I was joking when I said put that in, send that with my box. This is a Rev 4A25, without the Rev 4A25, obviously, just the body. That's a museum piece right here. This has been laying around since 2016 when they came out with these. But yeah, there's a piece of history for you. But this is what we're here to see. The Mysterio color magenta. Ultim button, green G10, 60 watt power. Let's put this thing away so I don't scratch that thing up. That was a surprise. I was joking when I asked for that. So anyway, the Billet Box has changed a little bit because they had a little supplier issue. So all these cool burns that they, the Burninator had put onto these aren't there anymore. They'll probably go back to that when they start getting the regular size boxes from the regular vendor. But they have found something temporarily. Y'all seen that before. Y'all seen this before. But you hadn't seen this before. Let me see pictures. There we are. This is a magenta color. I don't know. I mean, magenta is not really a real pink. And you know what? Let me put some light on this thing. Let's see. Let's take this green G10 panel off. There you go. It's definitely pink, but let's see how. The pictures they did, it looks a little more pink. This looks more like the unicorn poo. This looks more purple than pink, to be honest. I'm not disappointed at all. Oops, turn off. There you go. So yeah, this is the magenta color billet box. This one is called the Mysterio. Came with the green G10 panels, which should accent. Actually, see, it's not the same kind of pink I thought it was going to be, so this might not look as good as I thought it would be together. But, I got a little button we're going to put right here. And, yeah. Anyway, we'll take a look at it. So, green G10 panels. Ultim button. There you are. This side, we're going to have let's go ahead and get that Boro out of there. Where's my nut getter outer? This Cool Master set of tweezers is the perfect size for taking all of these out. Or you can use a coin or whatever, but y'all know this. I don't have to tell you this. Let's get that Boro out of there and our little spare parts kit. And there we are. There is the magenta billet box. Let's throw a battery in here and see. Make sure this thing works. Come on, go in there, battery. That's pretty tight. There we go. And do we have liftoff? We have liftoff. There we have it. Alright, so let's go ahead and real quickly, while I have everything together here, let me find my driver, and we're gonna change this button out real quick. That is a pretty color. It looks pinker on the picture. This looks more purple than pink. That Billet Box Vapor took of the color on their website. It looks more of a hot pink almost. This looks more like a purple. And they should have called it unicorn poo because, well, they haven't made a unicorn poo yet. For speed, I think, well, no, you know what? It looks like I'm going to be able to just lift this. This was freshly minted, so I might be able to get this void sticker without doing anything special to it. Yeah, I got the void sticker off real easy. I don't even think that's going to leave a residue. No residue. Wow. So if you get them off real early, you can do that. So we're going to take the button, I'm going to set that aside and hope that this button will work. With the Cerakote, sometimes some of these buttons that are made for older boxes sometimes are a little too tight. Yeah, this might be too tight. We're going to try it anyway. Worst case scenario, I can... Yeah, that's not even going to... Well... Yeah, I don't... We'll tie it. We'll put it on. Let me go ahead and just take this all the way off. I'm going to have residue. Yeah, I'll clean that up later. And I'll fix that button later. I might be able to shave a little bit off of it and to get it to the thickness of the actual Cerakote inner is a little too thick, and this button was probably designed during the anodized days where there was a little more tolerance, and that is probably the reason why. I got some buttons I was going to put on, or some screws I was going to put on here, but I didn't get them out, so I'm just going to put these back on. We're not going to be able to fire it. Actually, it's firing right now. Yeah, we're not going to be able to do this. Let me just back them out for now. Okay, I can just leave them a little bit backed out for, where's my other screw? I've lost a screw. I have a screw loose, but that is apparent. Here's our other screw. We can just get a picture of what this is going to look like, make sure that's not firing. I didn't screw the screws all the way down, but they're far enough down where the panel should sit on there. I don't know. I might not even like that button on there, but I was figuring that button and this tip together would set that off. But that was if this was much more of a pink color. This thing is a lot more purple than pink. So, and I also have this pink. This actually matches perfectly. This pink vape snail snail tank just came out, which I took the dope out and used one of these Twisted Timmy coils. This is a BB mouth to lung, reduce lung, N80. Yeah, 0.35. Let's throw it in there, see how it looks. There we go. That is a perfect match color-wise there. But this pink is not a good color match. And, well, my Billet Box, or my bunny logo isn't really a good match either, but... Oh, I don't have one of those screws is sitting up too high, causing the wobble with the panels. Let's see, did that start making me fire? Oh, it's reading a 0.38. This should be a 0.35, so that's not bad. Yeah, one of those. Oh, crap. That's enough to push it down and make it fire. It's firing right now. So, but anyway, that's it. We'll make that short and sweet. Let me throw some juice up in here. I don't really show off juices much because I'm not for sale with juices or any products for that matter. And to be honest, you know, I show you guys coils that I have and use. I pay for 95% of all the coils that I get, either trading, you know, things or actual cash. So I'm not for sale for coils either. Now, I'll mention your coils if you send some to me, but I'm not asking you to. I'm not on the take, guys. That's why you never see me show off juices, because, well, I don't have any juices to sell you, and I'm not going to. I sound like an ass the way I'm saying that, don't I? I mean, I don't have any problem with people showing off juices that they like. Let's get a paper towel here and clean that thing up. Now, the pink snail tank is going to be perfect in here. Look at that. That is beautiful. So what I need is a pink screen thing, some pink, I don't know, some green. We get some, maybe some neon green to match that. Screws and clickies. Yeah, that can work. And obviously we need to do something with that button there. But let's see what how this dope came out with this 0.35 coil that I got. I just got these Twisted Timmy coils in yesterday, so I figured I'd try it. Tastes just like it's supposed to. So, but we're not here to talk about RBAs. We're here to look at the color. I mean, it's really, I'm not disappointed in the color. The color is beautiful, but it's not the color I thought it was going to be. It's a little darker than I thought. But we can work with this. I still like it. It's still pretty. It's a good finish. It's got a little bit of texture to it, which is really nice. Yeah, matches my wraps a little bit. So anyway, I'm Chris, billetbox.info, which you can't see that right now. So but this is just quick look at the Mysterio billet box. Like I said, there's two of them that came out last week. One of them they called Mysterio, and the other one they call Maleficent, which I think is like a queen or something in some Disney movie. And it has black panels, and this is gonna fire when I do that. Yep, it's because this button. Yeah. Anyway, this button is not going to work in here. We're gonna have to put something else on that. So anyway, thanks for watching. My name is Chris, billetbox.info, and y'all have a good evening.